How constipation after 60 can vanish with these 5 foods. As we age, many people find that they experience health issues that seem to come with the territory of getting older, one of the most common being constipation. However, the truth is, constipation is not an inevitable part of aging. In fact, it's often a sign that your digestive system needs more support. The good news is that constipation can often be alleviated naturally with the right foods, without the need for harsh laxatives or medications that can sometimes cause more harm than good. In this article, we'll explore 5 specific foods that can help reduce constipation after the age of 60. These foods are packed with fiber and other nutrients that promote healthy digestion and regularity. As we move forward, you'll find that the solution to smoother digestion could be sitting right in your kitchen, waiting to help you live a more comfortable and healthier life. The foods we'll discuss are not just effective, they are scientifically proven to support digestive health, reduce bloating, and restore regular bowel movements. Let's dive in. Number 1. Prunes, nature's most powerful remedy. Prunes have been revered for centuries as an effective solution for constipation, earning them the nickname nature's laxative. These small but mighty fruits are rich in fiber and contain a unique natural sugar called sorbitol, which draws water into the intestines. This action helps to soften the stool, making it easier to pass and improving overall digestion. Research supports the power of prunes in managing constipation. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that consuming prune-based products is highly effective for easing constipation in older adults. In fact, it is just as effective, if not more so, than fiber supplements. Slavin, 2012. The magic of prunes lies in their ability to restore regularity without causing the cramping or dependency that comes with pharmaceutical laxatives. Take the example of Henry, a 72-year-old man who had struggled with chronic constipation for years. After trying numerous solutions, he found relief when his doctor recommended eating prunes daily. Skeptical at first, he began incorporating prunes into his diet and noticed significant improvements within a week. His digestion became smoother, he felt less bloated, and most importantly, he no longer depended on medication. How to add prunes to your diet. Prunes are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can enjoy them on their own as a snack, add them to oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or chop them up and toss them into salads. Eating a few prunes each day can go a long way in improving digestion and helping you feel better overall. Number 2. Chia seeds, the tiny powerhouse for digestion. Chia seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to digestive health. These tiny seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which turns into a gel-like substance when mixed with water. This gel helps soften the stool, making it easier to pass and relieving constipation naturally. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed that chia seeds improve bowel regularity due to their high fiber content, which absorbs water and forms bulk that aids in moving waste through the digestive system. Davis et al., 2009. The beauty of chia seeds is their gentle approach. They help regulate digestion without the discomfort or harsh effects that can come with fiber supplements. Consider Margaret, a 69-year-old woman who had struggled with constipation on and off for years. She had tried different fiber supplements, but they either didn't work well or caused bloating. After a friend recommended chia seeds, she added a spoonful to her morning yogurt. Within just a few days, she felt a noticeable difference. Her digestion was smoother, and she was no longer bloated or sluggish. How to add chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them into smoothies, or even make chia pudding by soaking them in water overnight. The key is to let the seeds absorb the liquid before eating, which enhances their ability to help your digestive system work efficiently. Number 3. Oatmeal, the gentle fiber that keeps you regular. Oatmeal is a classic food that has stood the test of time, and for good reason, especially when it comes to digestion. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan, which forms a gel-like substance in your intestines. This helps to soften stool, improve regularity, and reduce constipation. The benefits of oatmeal go beyond just helping with digestion. Studies have shown that oatmeal can also support heart health by reducing cholesterol and regulating blood sugar levels. Katz et al., 2018. Its gentle fiber content makes it an ideal choice for seniors, as it won't cause bloating or discomfort like other high-fiber foods can. Take Joe, a 74-year-old man who had struggled with constipation for years. After trying various remedies, his doctor recommended adding oatmeal to his daily routine. Within a week, he noticed a significant change. His digestion became smoother, he felt more regular, and his energy levels improved. How to add oatmeal to your diet. Oatmeal is incredibly easy to prepare and can be enjoyed in many ways. You can make it with water or milk and top it with fruits, nuts, or honey. For a savory twist, try adding seeds, vegetables, or a dollop of yogurt. Whether you enjoy it traditional style or overnight oats, oatmeal is a delicious and nutritious way to support your digestion. Number 4. Sweet potatoes, the delicious way to stay regular. Sweet potatoes are not only a delicious and nutritious comfort food, but they also work wonders for your digestive health. Packed with soluble fiber and water, sweet potatoes help keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevent constipation. They are especially beneficial for older adults because they provide a gentle, soothing effect on the digestive system, unlike some fiber-rich foods that can be rough on the stomach. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the benefits of consuming sweet potatoes for improving gastrointestinal health, particularly for those suffering from constipation. McGill et al., 2015. Their high fiber content adds bulk to stool, while their water content ensures that everything stays hydrated and moving through your intestines effectively. How to add sweet potatoes to your diet. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even blend them into soups. They can also be added to salads, making them an easy and tasty way to improve digestion. With their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes are a delicious addition to any meal. Number 5. Kefir, the gut-friendly drink that restores digestion. Kefir, a fermented dairy drink, is a powerhouse for improving digestion and relieving constipation. Packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help restore balance to the gut, kefir aids in the breakdown of food, improves digestion, and enhances regularity. Unlike fiber supplements that can take time to work, kefir starts improving digestion almost immediately, making it one of the best foods to incorporate into your routine. Probiotics play a crucial role in digestive health. Research from the World Journal of Gastroenterology shows that probiotics can improve symptoms of constipation, bloating, and discomfort by restoring balance to the gut microbiome. Markowiak and Śledziewska, 2017. Kefir's probiotic content helps promote healthy gut flora, which supports efficient digestion and regular bowel movements. How to add kefir to your diet. Kefir is incredibly easy to add to your diet. You can drink it straight, blend it into smoothies, or pour it over cereal or fruit. It's a refreshing way to hydrate while also improving your gut health. If you've been struggling with digestive issues, kefir could be the missing piece to restoring balance in your system. The power of natural foods for digestive health. As we age, digestive health becomes more important than ever. The good news is that you don't have to rely on over-the-counter medications or harsh laxatives to improve your digestive health. The solution can often be found in natural, fiber-rich foods that work gently and effectively to restore balance and promote regularity. In this video, we've covered 5 powerful foods that can help alleviate constipation, improve digestion, and enhance your overall gut health. From the digestive benefits of prunes to the fiber-packed chia seeds, the soothing properties of sweet potatoes, and the probiotic-rich benefits of kefir, each of these foods has a specific role to play in supporting your digestive system. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you can manage constipation naturally and prevent the discomfort that often comes with it. Whether you're enjoying a bowl of oatmeal in the morning or sipping on some kefir after a meal, these simple changes can have a profound impact on your digestive health. You don't have to suffer from constipation in your later years. Instead, you can take control of your health with a few natural and easy-to-implement foods. So, what are you waiting for? Start adding these foods to your diet today and feel the difference for yourself. You'll not only improve your digestion, but also enjoy better overall health and well-being as you age.